So, good morning, everybody, and time to start our empowering morning conversations. So, today being the last day of the year, it was decided by our core committee that today should be only a celebration day. So, let the celebrations begin. And to lead the celebration, I will ask Vetri Garu to take over because he's the celebration guy. He's a naturally celebrating person.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. We all are celebrating, guys, and few so outside, many keep it secret. And it's so important, and it's must to bring that celebration out because we are going to start a new year, new possibilities, a new hope, and new ourselves. So let's have fun, and it's totally what do you say, unplanned and without any agenda. Let's have fun, and let's have first laughter session, and based on that, we will take it forward. Hasinaji, how are you feeling today? Can you lead us? See? Yes.
Yes, I will. Very well.
Go ahead, Ji. We want you to
Let's
lead.
all laugh. Let's all
Yes.
laugh silently with full force. 1, 2, 3.
I'm missing my friend Sagar. Are you imitating Sagar, Hasinaji?
No, I'm myself.
The last part was little similar.
Okay. Right?
Amazing, Hasinaji. Full of energetic and full of 100% laughter. Thank you very much for that. I can literally see the chemical change. Thank you very much.
तीनों बच गए.
Beautiful.
So I want to give a quick share about my surprise yesterday.
Please.
Without my knowledge, my branch manager and my agent logged 2.5 lakh of business in my code.
Wow.
I did not know. I still do not know who is the client and all that. But it has come. I mean, 2021 is ending.
Gift.
In this. Yeah.
That's an appropriate and beautiful, happy share. What I want you to say is, how are you going to celebrate this? Tell me. Open your wild imagination. You want to celebrate it. How will you celebrate?
I will celebrate with all. Today I'm going to office just to celebrate. Wherever I am.
Because we are not going live today. It's just
No.
It will be only in the record.
No. Whenever I go to the office, that will be equal to celebration for me and for some people. So today it will be again there, and we will probably share some sweets and all that, which I cannot consume.
Thank you. So keep celebrating, send us photos. That's a wonderful example to start with celebration. And everyone start to think about how we are going to celebrate, because I strongly believe that we have more reason to celebrate. Not only on the general side, we are so special people. We have spent around a year to improve ourselves, to learn so many important concepts. And we are in the serious business of transforming ourselves and transforming people around us. We should celebrate. Thank you, Sureji, for that. And who is going next? how are you going to celebrate today?
Even my son is celebrating, he has gone to Shimla 2 days
Super.
back. Yeah,
Thank you.
he's enjoying that, snowfall and all that. He kept sending pictures and all that. Today
Super.
he's in Manali and other places, probably. And second night, he will be back.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Suryaji. And who is next? And others can keep yourself muted till your turn comes, please. Who is? Yes, please. Have you figured out how you are going to celebrate today? We have so many celebrities opening cameras. And just for your small information, it's raining in Dubai. It's very rare phenomena, and usually they do cloud seeding and make it to rain. That too very little bit. It seems like today is an normal rain. It comes. Anybody? Just to share how you are going to celebrate today. You want me to call?
How you are going to celebrate, Mr. Vetri?
Yes, I am going to. I have a big plan. I am expecting 2 friends from Sharjah. Usually I go there, spend my time with them, and it will be like a celebration, but it is a monotony celebration. Now we just plan to take it outside, and today midnight there is a cracker show in Dubai. It's very famous. It goes for 10 minutes, and we plan to go to a place where we'll stand there, celebrate New Year, and wish and welcome the New Year in a big bang. Thank you, Suryaji. Yes, please.
Lighter note, I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm just dropping my wife at her school and celebrating.
Celebrate, keep it secret. Thank you very much. Yes, Hasinaji, you're naturally celebrating throughout the year. I want you to tell me, how are you going to celebrate today?
I'm not going to celebrate anyway, but I wish I could celebrate the way I want. And I'll tell you how I would want. I would
Please.
love to go dancing.
Wow.
That I don't think is going to happen, but I would love that.
In fact, I plan to end today's session of celebration last 10-15 minutes, putting our favorite happiness song and ask people to dance. It's a New Year special. So be prepared for that. We expect more from you.
Good.
Thank you very much, Hasinaji.
And in my view, I want to share my small thing, what I'm getting in. We are daily celebrating early morning, 7:30 to 8:39. It is daily celebration, meeting so many people from different places, sharing things and all that. Love and affection, problems, solutions. This is more than celebration. I think nothing is equal to this.
Super. Suryaji, you touched upon a very important aspect of the CMC and you verbalized it in a very good manner. I want you to tell a little more clearly. Can you just say with the terms or the tools which you use, using the tools, can you just tell what you said? What is a real celebration?
Real celebration is nothing, when you don't take you don't carry meaning of the words. Someone says something, don't just listen to the sound, not the meaning. People mostly, they go by meaning. What do you mean? What do you mean? There is no mean. Mean is always in the water.
Suryaji, you know Tamil? There is no mean, only Kaduvadu.
Mean is fish that lives only in water.
Thank you, Suresh. What I just try to make it is, when we are consciously living in creation mode, it is celebration.
Yeah, that is what I mean. You have your perception, I have my perception. Like sharing and accepting, without ego we have to if you lose the ego, I mean, for me, I don't mind, someone shout at me or something, like I don't care. Earlier I used to revert. Now, okay, that is one sound. Okay, fine. When someone horns car or scooter, it's a sound. So if someone is saying certain things, okay, that is also a sound. Leave it. We don't remember that. That is how I feel. I take the things.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for that. Yes, how are you going to celebrate today? Mallikaji wants to dance today. We'll do, Mallikaji. For that, you should come on camera. Get ready for that. You can tell it, Abhinaji, please. Go ahead.
I'm invited to 3 parties today, but
Don't make me to feel jealous, huh?
yeah. No. I know many things about Dubai. You have all those nice places like Yorks and all, right? You can go there also. So I have a sister who lives in Bahrain. So she comes to India every year around in the Christmas holidays, because her husband is a banker, so he gets holidays in those days. And she organizes a party every 31st. So in the party, we are 4 bhai bahan. Sorry, all the families are together. So that is how we have been celebrating our 31st for the last like 20 years. So that is what we do.
Amazing. Keep celebrating. Share us some photos.
Thank you. I will surely celebrate photos. But if you ask me कि दिल में क्या है, तो दिल में तो ये है कि कोई party now and I can go to sleep. So much of work in office. I would love that I can come home early and just रजाई के अंदर घुस के I can sleep. Too much of सर्दी here.
Our yearly closing and final thing, I understand.
Yeah. So my party will be next day, which is a holiday. So I will sleep the whole day. Yeah.
Super. Fantastic, Abhinavji. Don't forget to share with us photos.
Sure.
Wonderful. Next, Sushita ji. Yes.
Morning, everybody. So
Good morning.
on a luxury yacht to see the northern lights in the Arctic Pole. That's why I'm celebrating New Year.
You book 30 tickets per, please. We all will go.
I got a very special invite from a very special friend. just pulling Malvai's leg.
We can't let him go alone.
But he went yesterday on a yacht. How I'm going to celebrate today is I'm not going to pick fights with anybody. Usually I pick a fight with a minimum of 2 people in a day and I fight. I fight with them 2 days. So I'm going to pass that. And I'm going to visit Holy Mother Sharada's rock in Baswangudi. She had come here in 1911. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to walk around in Gandhi Bazaar, which is the old market area. Then I'm going to cook something special for my mom and hopefully give her a bar session, which she has been evading. And also like stay awake with her singing Aksharamana Malai and all that till 12.
Amazing. It is so fortunate to hear us. Our celebration party can be so spiritual. Your version. Thank you very much. Spiritual
is two-way, Vetrivel.
Yes.
One is with the mind, spiritual. Other one is celebrating with the spirit.
That is why spirituality has got spirit in it.
I have sent
This
you
fellow
one
from
email.
morning, no? This fellow, he's got spirit in his brain today. So now his wife is going away. I think his rum bottle will come out.
Betrayal, I have shared one image to you.
I will see it. Definitely.
Yeah, we have seen that image. The moment the wife is away, your rum bottle is going to come out. I know that.
Thank you very much. Yes, KP is ready, it seems. Ratanji, good morning. KP, you have so many reasons to celebrate. Tell me how you are going to celebrate.
For today evening, we have I'm going to our club, Newtown Business Club, and we're going to celebrate there. Some Jojo and some singer is coming, so we'll be sharing it with the friends and family also.
Excellent, excellent. Ratanji, have a great party. And who is next? Yes, KP, go ahead, please. You have to unmute it.
Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning.
Preparations have been going on. Both the daughters are at home this time.
Wow.
Usually, elder one will be in some other tournament practice. No? Few times she won't be there. So this time, both of them are there. So we bought a barbecue equipment about a couple of days ago, and all the charcoal, all the things that are related to that, we bought it. So that way, some shopping and all is over. My daughter's friends are going to come. My friend is going to come. It's going to be a gala party today.
Wow. Seems to be preparing for a very big party. Good, KB.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy the party, huh? Keep some share for us.
You too. Yeah.
Where are the tickets available, sir, to this one?
It's just a phone call away. No tickets. You're invited.
I think some of the good celebration of our members, we can live it, telecast it lively. Actually, we can join virtually, no? Wonderful, okay. Have fun. Yes. Ratanji, good morning. You have to unmute if you're okay. It's muted.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good, all good. You're looking always cheerful. So you tell us what's your plans for the New Year's Eve.
Exactly, sir. We plan to spend time at Dubai Frame, where they do, in many places they do, but this is near to my residence. They do cracker show in Dubai, exactly at 12 o'clock.
Right.
And it goes for 10 to 15 minutes. And just to stand there and look at it itself is amazing feeling.
Right.
And obviously we will go with prepared mind, prepared body. With
right.
Tube.
Yeah, it's a different energy. It's a very different energy. You like electrified with the energy.
Exactly, sir. See, it is a message for others. How me and Ratanji speaking something without telling that word. Electrifying, magnifying.
Right.
Wish you a very happy New Year, Ratanji.
Good.
Celebrate. And you haven't told anything. What is your plan?
We as a family just welcome the New Year. Sit down for 10-15 minutes in meditation. Me, my wife, and my two sons. That's our tradition for many years now.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Good.
After that?
Yeah, see ya.
Okay, so thank you very much for sharing it.
Yeah.
Enjoy your New Year. And many people are keeping camera off. It seems that they started celebrate now itself. Yes, sir. Sir, over to you. Hello. Maybe you haven't shared. What's your plan?
I haven't planned much as yet, Vetri. I just have to help a friend who's cooking for another party. So I'm just going to be helping her through the day. And for the evening, we have some guests coming home, neighbors. That's it. Nothing much planned. Take it easy and make it simple.
Wonderful, wonderful. And one of the objective of this session is to induce you to plan.
Ah, that's
Because we
I
are
know now
good
where you're
at
coming from.
generating, we are good at generating the feeling what we want. We have to celebrate that celebration mode in us. Because you have so many reasons to celebrate.
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you very much for that. Good morning, Kuldeep ji.
Good morning. Good morning, Vatiri.
How are you, sir?
Great.
And we are so curious to know how you plan to celebrate New Year.
We have a spacious armed forces club here, which used to organize the Grand New Year party every year. But this time it has been cancelled. So I am also respecting the laws, respecting the situation. And now I am being with the moment, every moment fully. Every moment should be a celebration now. And this is required practice. I am going to do this. I'll enjoy the cosmic celebration which is going on everywhere at every moment. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, Kuldeep ji. Oh, now photos are going on, yachts photos.
This is yesterday's celebration.
Wow.
Super, sir. Where is this?
And this is in Hong Kong Harbor.
Wow.
Thank you very much, sir. That's so.
My celebration, our celebrations was done yesterday only, you know.
Okay.
Today, no gatherings are going to be allowed here in Mumbai.
So you went to Hong Kong and back?
Yeah, Hong Kong, which is on opposite the Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai. That
Oh, okay. I really thought you really in Hong Kong.
it looks like Hong Kong, no? So what I
Yes,
thought you
sir.
guys were celebrating and talking about celebrating. Remember, the human mind does not know the difference between a real experience and an imaginary experience. So you can celebrate right now.
Very true, sir. And Malika ji came on camera. Malika ji, how are you going to celebrate in US today?
Good morning, one and all.
Good morning. Wow. There is a Bollywood hero coming on live. to yes, Ji.
I have already started celebration.
You're in which hotel?
If you see behind me is Atlantis. I'm in a hotel. So we'll be staying tonight also, and have a great day all.
Thank you. Enjoy. Share us some photos.
Actually, I was busy with the other conversation because the timing these days have changed for early morning prayer. So I was busy in that conversation. My apology for being late.
No problem.
And other than the celebration last evening, I was also reflecting upon, because a celebration is good, it's very important, we should all have, but reflection is equally important as we did yesterday. So, but today is a celebration day, so that way we will.
Wonderful. How does it get any better than this? Celebrating at Atlantis. Enjoy, Kunenji.
Still there is no sunrise here. But after, I think, and today the weather is also a bit cloudy.
It's raining here in Karama.
Rain.
Yeah. Nice reels. Thank you for sharing. Keep celebrating. Keep sending us photos. Thank you, Kunenji. And I would like to request to keep today's group open, at least in the evening, so that we can share all the photos. Whoever is celebrating today, they can post their photos today evening. Yes, Malikaji, good morning. What's your plan for celebration?
First of all, my celebration is only tomorrow night. Day after tomorrow is our New Year. We are waiting another 36 hours to welcome New Year. But anyhow, I can enjoy with all of you because our Indian relations, all of you, you are all my family members. So I'm ready to enjoy with all of you because every moment when we thought that is the New Year.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So I'm very much, I'm always like to dance. Through dance, I'm expressing all of my love and happiness through that. So that I like.
Yeah. So we would call you. We have some plan. Thank you, Malikaji, for sharing that.
Thank you, and a very prosperous New Year for all of us, for all of you. 2022.
Sure. Thank you very much, and wish you also a wonderful, prosperous, healthier, happy New Year.
Thank you, Vitti.
So everybody is at a loss for words, eh?
I want to know what is Sagar doing today? 7th girlfriend, 8th girlfriend, 12th girlfriend, what he is doing today? Yeah.
He's not going to tell you.
Okay.
डर गया है तो।
See, such a for 1.5 years, I was I could sleep as much as I want, and I lost. At that time there was no importance of sleep, and nowadays I'm busy, so now I know the importance of sleep.
Sorry, you're muted. Yeah.
I said we should get a lot of shairi from Kunenji and Kuldeep ji to celebrate the end of the old year and the beginning of the new year.
We can get them in the recording in the groups. We can play during our celebration. Will this be Kunanji?
Very true. Here comes Sairi.
एक
Sairi aa gaya.
Sairi, not Sairi.
एक
Shairi.
वैसे कल मैं सोच रहा था सर के EMC ने मुझे शायर भी बना दिया.
आपका सोया हुआ शायर जगा दिया.
एक है ना कि मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ए हंसी जब से देखा है तुम्हें शायरी आ गई.
आ ही गई.
एक और जो शेर अर्ज किया है कि एक साल गया एक साल नया है आने को. एक साल गया एक साल नया है आने को पर वक्त का अब भी होश नहीं दीवाने को. तो एक साल गया एक साल नया है आने को पर वक्त का अब भी होश नहीं दीवाने को. So it's good to celebrate, but until we don't reflect upon what I did good, what I'm going to do better, and what I'm going to change myself, तब तक कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. सिर्फ ऐसे ही ड्रामा होता रहेगा. चेंज नहीं होंगे, कुछ होगा नहीं.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Over to you, Vetri ji.
वैसे why should we wait for the end of the year and the start of a new year? We to say every day.
Yeah.
Add to your life today that will allow you to create a future that you desire. We can do that every day. Why wait for the end of the year to do that?
So
Sorry,
I wanted to share something. Two things I wanted to share. First, because both are connected with EMC. First, I'm getting present to the distinction celebration. Why, as you were just sharing, why एक event होना चाहिए to celebrate? You can celebrate every moment. We can we can celebrate every moment. Just we are alive. That is a big enough celebration. A second thing which I wanted to share was with you. About 3 weeks back, my car got banged. I don't know whether I shared or not. And uske baad anyway, I gave it for insurance, and even I have to pay. We have to pay about 30,000 rupees because because the insurance was not zero debt. And so yesterday I saw my car for the first time and I'm very happy. It was looking like new. And the first ride I took was with my bhanji, my co-brother, my Sali's daughter, and she was asking me, "Mausa ji, आपका जब accident हुआ था तो आपको गुस्सा नहीं आया?" मैंने कहा नहीं, मुझे तो गुस्सा नहीं आया. And then I was thinking, मुझे गुस्सा क्यों नहीं आया? Because what I have learned from EMC is everything that happens for good. Otherwise, at this time, 30,000 rupees, imagine I have to pay and card bhi lag gayi and meri galti bhi nahi thi, and then I would have been upset for months about it. Why me? मैं तो इतना अच्छा इंसान हूँ. Why God is so mean with me? Why people are so mean with me? And here I what is God created it. So what EMC has created me is that every moment I know whatever happens for good.
Absolutely. Every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Yay.
Yay, absolutely.
Ramana Particle wants to say something. Ramana Particle.
Sir, what I wanted to say is that what we are doing on EMC is trying to implement the highest spiritual truths, sir. The highest one is let thy will be done. So, and we are doing it with a fun twist. So I don't know what else transformation Kunen Bhai Sahab wants.
He's waiting for the moment when the lights start flashing and there is a white light and he's walking towards the white light, towards the enlightenment, and he's floating up in the air with his hands held high and saying, "Lo and behold the power of the Almighty floating out from my hands." People are looking for experiences like that.
Yeah. So what I see, I see all of us as nothing short of apostles, sir, who have bitten the bullet and who are going through the transformation in our own way, rather than just talking about it. So that's what I feel, sir. That has been, for me, it has been that like I had a lot of theory and I am prone to intellectual flights, but I didn't know what to do with all of that. Somehow here I just know like what to do, and even if I one day, I know the next day is there.
And thank you for adding so many spices to the cauldron.
Thanks.
Right. Thank you. Neeti is all dressed up in celebration finery. So we should listen to what she has to say this morning.
Not at all, sir. So what I wanted to actually share with you, totally away from the celebration mode, is last 2 days. You said this so many times on EMC. Finally, I seem to be experiencing it when we get up with a different kind of lightness in the morning. When you just open your eyes, there's a different lightness. There's a different lightness in your step. There's a different lightness in the body, in the mind, in the spirit. So I've been experiencing that for the last 2 days, and it's wonderful.
Yeah. So which is the lovely song going through your head, you know? Aaj main upar, aasmaan niche. So it's actually fun, isn't it?
Oh,
and
yes.
At some point, we'll start getting worried, you know, कि ये हो क्या रहा है, कहीं वापस मेरा वो वाला मोड ना आ जाए. That
exactly,
is
because there are no aches and pains in the body. There's no stiffness. There's nothing. So I'm having to reorient myself to a new me.
Yeah. So congratulations, I say, and let this new me prevail.
So ये new me थोड़ा खतरनाक भी है.
इसमें कुछ खतरनाक नहीं है. एक फूल लगा लो बालों में और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Congratulations. Very well. Has got his hand raised. Now he's going to come out with something on a lighter note. Yes, Mr. Vetrivel.
Actually,
why are you invisible?
Nitin sharing has opened
I knew that. So, Chullu, sir. Shigram Chullu.
Actually, you speak Tamil, I love it. And Nitin sharing has opened a new thought in me. At the time of celebrating, it is so important for us to celebrate. One is our relationships. Are we celebrating enough that? I have a unique technique to make my wife happy. During the work or any unexpected time, I call my wife. Since I'm outside home, she says, "You are calling at this time." I said, "I want to tell you something important. I forgot to tell you. Now I'm going to tell you." Then she gets that enough built up everything. Like she knows my past, all my default mode, everything. Tell me. I said, "I love you." Then the whole moment will get to different modes, something and all. And sometimes I call and I say, I called you for something important. Tell me what it is. I felt like hearing your voice. Finished. Then the whole moment will be different. So these are small personal technique. But what the thought I want to put it is, are we celebrating our relationship? Because for us, they are so important for us to celebrate the life itself. So I just want people to think about that, how they are going to celebrate their own belongings, people in this festive season. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, let's listen to that. What happened, guys? All of a sudden, nobody wants to talk. I think everybody wants to go and start celebrating now. They got so excited. So why don't we let them go and celebrate then? Right? Everybody's saying, hello, today's the last day of the year. Let us go and prepare some special
Yes. Before going out, we will play that song, that happiness song.
Which one?
On the sharing.
Okay, let me see.
Yes. I'll also share it.
It seems crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a
Yes. Nobody can sit. It is celebration. Achinaji, Malikaji, come on. Ready? They are preparing the place, huh?
I don't care, baby, by the way.
You can start your dancing.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news talking this and that. Give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel.
All right, so, there is an exercise we used to do long time back. We used to look at each other and say, I am creating you. So everybody say, I am creating you.
I am creating you.
I am creating you.
We celebrate our relationship.
We celebrate our
relationship. And I know who you are.
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 And I love you.
When I did the Art of Living course, there was a wonderful exercise that we did at the end of it, We just say to each person, I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Lovely. I belong to you.
See, because without the other person, I don't exist, right? I belong to you.
I belong to you.
So guys, we belong to each other, and let's have a great year and let's have a great celebration. And I hope to see everybody there in the morning without a hangover or with a hangover or whatever it is. Right? If you still got your clothes on. Kuldeep ji wants to tell his shairi, I think. Yes, sir. Please, regale us with your shairi.
सर आप सब लोगों के लिए एक दुआ है कि मुस्कान आपके होठों से कहीं जाए नहीं, मुस्कान आपके होठों से कहीं जाए नहीं, आंसू आपके पलकों में कभी आए नहीं, और पूरा हो आपका हर ख्वाब, पूरा हो आपका हर ख्वाब, और जो पूरा न हो वो ख्वाब कभी आए नहीं.
Wow.
This is the wish.
Let the smiles never leave your face and let the tears never come into your eyes. Let all your dreams come true. And the dream that is not going to come true, let such a dream not come to you. Wow.
Yes.
What a lovely.
Thank you very much.
I think it is a fitting end to a nice session today. And we shall continue with our profundities tomorrow. So God bless you. Have a great day. Have a great New Year Eve. Enjoy yourself and see you back in action tomorrow with you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Bye.